discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Toyota Tundra. This four-door, five-passenger truck has just over 80,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, heated seats, skid plates, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you